How to fix print spooler, spoolsv.exe, high CPU usage in Windows. Restarting the print spooler service can clear any stuck print jobs or temporary glitches causing high CPU usage. Outdated or incompatible printer drivers can cause issues. Updating them might resolve the high CPU usage. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your computer afterward. The Windows troubleshooter can help identify and fix problems related to various computer functions, including printing. Setting the spooler to start only when needed can reduce unnecessary resource usage. Access services. Find the print spooler service in the list, right-click on it, and select Stop. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.